Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Rockstar editor. This is the only built-in tool that lets you remove recorded clips permanently. Once the editor loads, pick the Clips or Projects tab and find the exact file you want to remove. Make sure you're selecting the clip, not a project that references it. Pause to confirm the timestamp and thumbnail so you don't delete the wrong footage. This direct approach prevents accidental loss and prepares you for the delete action in the next step. Now that the clip is highlighted, issue the delete command, press delete on PC, or choose the delete option on console menus. You'll get a confirmation, read it and confirm only if it's the right file. If the clip is referenced by a project, unlink it first or replace it with another clip, otherwise deletion may fail or warn you. Once confirmed, the clip is removed from your saved clips in the editor. Make sure to exit cleanly so changes persist. Finish by exiting the editor and reopening the clips list to verify the file is gone. If the clip still appears, restart the game or clear the Rockstar editor cache. Sometimes temporary files reappear until the session resets. On consoles, also check the system capture gallery and delete duplicates there. The editor won't remove console-saved captures automatically. If deletion still fails, revert to saving a new project without the clip, then delete the original. That guarantees the unwanted footage is no longer used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.